My project is part of a wider research effort that's looking at bringing automation to smaller companies, so built from low-cost, off-the-shelf, mostly consumer components, and bringing the benefits of automation to companies that otherwise wouldn't have access to it. So my system is built from a 3D printer and some low-cost control devices in the form of a few Raspberry Pis. And what this allows you to do is connect the process to a wider global network. So having it in an Internet of Things environment means that you can have many of these systems distributed anywhere across the world and all streaming real-time their process data to the cloud. Once the data is there, you can learn from it, so the process can self-optimize itself. But the beauty of having it internet connected is that these systems, no matter where they are, can learn from one another. So your system here in the lab in Cambridge can be learning on very difficult parts how to optimize its process and then distribute and disseminate its learnings to the rest of the systems across the globe.